name is Jeet Vora and I am currently pursuing my third MBBS at St. GS Medical College and KM Hospital in Mumbai. I had the opportunity to learn biology from Advait sir, and I think by far he is the most awesome biology professor I've ever come across. He has this different level of passion and dedication towards teaching, and combined with the years of experience he has, he knows where exactly us students are lacking and he knows how exactly to fill in those gaps. I'd admit I'm not very good at memorizing. I was never very good at memorizing. And fortunately with Advait sir, it was completely different. He knew that biology had very less to do with memorizing and a lot more to do with understanding, you see. With his teachings, I've come to realize that not just biology but any science is not as difficult as any rocket science. In fact, it is simple combination of basic sciences and a lot of common sense and logical reasoning, you see. He would take us into the why and how of the concepts. For example, let's say suppose we all know that the heart, human heart, it contracts in two stages. There's the atrial contraction and the ventricular contraction, and there's a slight delay between both of them. Most of us have never wondered why exactly does it happen that way. But if you see, the answer lies in its structural anatomy. The atria try to push the blood from above downwards, whereas the ventricles try to push the blood below upwards. If these two structures would be contracting simultaneously, the blood would actually not go anywhere. You see, the blood would just stay there. But if you introduce a fractional delay between the two, you have enough time for the blood to get collected in the ventricles and then be pushed in the respective vessels. Simple common sense, you see. These are the small details that he teaches us beyond the books that help us in remembering all the concepts. In fact, they get practically embossed in your grey matter. You see, it's impossible to forget any of this. And I believe with such awesome explanations, I don't see there's a way you are going to be disinterested in any of his lectures. I have always looked forward to his lectures. In fact, I still feel that in case he would be teaching MBBS students as well, I would love to go and learn from him. I would like to thank Advait sir. Thank you so much for helping me out all throughout my NEET, and even after that, entering MBBS, you have guided me and practically taught me how to use my own brains. Thank you so much, sir.